didn't do anything though. No, what's your bathroom? Get out of me!
Do not.
Stop touching me!
I'll hit you again, mother. Stop. Hey, what are you doing? What's going on? Put this down.
I didn't do anything wrong. I said.
Okay, turn around.
I said. I apologize.
This encounter is already spiraling out of control. Watch the suspect's behavior closely. Every decision from this point forward can either calm the situation or add new criminal charges. Do you think this ends peacefully, or is this just the beginning of a much bigger disaster?
I apologize, y'all. I really do apologize. Why are you recording like it's something, like it's going viral or something?
Watson. Hey.
Bitch, fuck you, bitch.
117, go ahead.
Fuck that bitch. Fuck. I got a daughter I'm trying to get.
No
Hey, bro.
You got anything in your pockets?
I'm not gonna shoot you.
I know you're not gonna shoot me. I don't want you to reach into your pocket.
Get my rest of my lungs out of my car. I know my rights.
Okay. Then exercise it and stop talking.
Please stop being aggressive with me. My mom and daddy will molest me, bro. Please.
42, show me 97.
Get up,
44,
please.
Get in the car.
Am I going to jail?
Probably. Yeah, get in the
I
car.
didn't do anything though.
Get in the car. Now.
Like she fell on the ground twice.
So she told y'all that she hit your truck?
Yes, she said that. And she said she's sorry. She told us that that was insurance, that was her insurance, but that appears to be a prescription.
Yeah, it is.
If you guys find out if she has insurance, I'd really appreciate it.
Yeah. Hey, why are your hands in the front?
I'm sorry.
Why are they in the front? That's not where I put them, are they?
I'm sorry.
Fix it.
I'm sorry. You said what?
Why are your hands in the front of your body now?
Because I don't feel comfortable with it. But I cannot go to jail. I will never get my baby back. And you do not understand. You might understand. I know your life story, but I have no family.
Okay, we're not talking about that right now. I'm
you
asking
don't care about my life.
Okay, I'll fix it.
Please, please.
Get out.
I just want to go walk
Get out of the car.
back
I'm
home.
not gonna do that.
Stay
Get out of the
home.
car. Get out of the car.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm trying to put my hands.
Same way that you did it.
Yes, sir. I cannot go to jail.
Here's the reality. Driving under the influence isn't just a bad decision. It's one of the fastest ways to turn a normal day into a life-changing tragedy. Officers aren't focused on excuses. They're focused on protecting everyone else on the road before someone gets hurt.
Fix your hands.
It's a memorial and I'm going through it. You don't understand. You probably have a mom, you probably have a dad, you probably have an uncle. I have nobody.
Okay, fix your hands.
Yes, sir.
All the way to the back of your body.
Yes, sir. Let me stand up so I can fix it. Thank you. Can you please put my back pants up, please?
Fix your hands. Just fix your hands.
I can't. I can't. You're kind of hurting my hands, sir.
Well, you would have never put them in the front of your body.
Hold on, let me sit down. Oh. Sugar blue, that shit hurt. Man, oh my God. Hold on. I'm not even German. Let me sit down.
Now sit down.
Okay, there
Sit
we
down
go.
in the car.
Yes, sir. I cannot.
Sit down in the car.
I cannot. I'm trying to get my body.
Turn your body.
I'm trying to get my body.
Turn your body.
Put your feet in. We're not gonna sit and play games with you.
I did not mean anything. Ow, I have scabs on my knees. Ow.
Sit up.
Why are you being aggressive?
I don't think there's a seatbelt. Yeah.
Buckle me up.
All right, you have been arrested and you are requested to submit to a test or tests to determine the presence and or concentration of intoxicants in your body. Your driving privileges will be revoked or denied. If you are 21 years of age or older and the test result is 0.08 or more alcohol concentration, your driving privileges will be revoked or denied. If you are under age 21 and the test result is 0.08, 0.02 or more alcohol concentration,
I have witnesses.
Your driving privileges will be revoked or denied. Will you take the state test?
No, because I witnessed it, sir.
Hey, have you got somebody I can call? Come get this dog? Huh? Who? Call who?
I have to look at this.
Okay, who can we call to come get this dog? I'm trying to save the dog.
Need anything over here and everybody's acting pretty normal, so if you want to go take a flash.
Please.
No, we're tired of playing games.
I can't
Games are over.
breathe. What's your badge number, sir? No, what's your badge number, bitch? You guys are
Call them back.
Me
The
the
guy
fuck
already left. People should have video. He left either a full
Yeah, you get
or
so
the other
bitch.
stand.
I'm gonna last play job, bitch. They last play job, bitch.
What's your play on the ground?
Take me to lunch, bitch. Bitch.
Can you do that with those ones?
I'm not doing that. My face.
Okay.
My neck is fractured.
Just do
Get
it.
up over here and crack it, bro.
I don't know how to do this.
Get off my neck. I'm not trying to do nothing aggressive.
She grabbed my watch.
Break it.
No, it's just an emergency call.
Best believe some lose their drivers like the last two police officers, bitch.
Notice what just happened. Even after the arrest, resisting or refusing lawful commands doesn't erase the original offense. It often creates new legal problems. In many cases, it's the behavior after the arrest that ends up making the charges even more serious.
You finna lose their drivers for the last two officers did.
Well, your dog will go to
Get off of me, bitch.
Your dog go down.
Get off of me, bro. That shit is hurting. Get off of me. Oh, God, bro. Use your camera. Use your camera. Where's my other shoe at? My sock, bro.
It's in the car.
No.
Five for transit on
I'm trying to get a vehicle.
Sit down.
I'm trying to, bro.
Sit down the way you're supposed to.
You're fucking an asshole. You're an asshole. You're a little tiny ass female. You fucked me up.
Hey, stop. Do not.
Stop fucking touching me. You're a black fucking cop too. I thought you would understand. 24 hours, bitch. So I make way more money than y'all do. Okay, y'all doing too much now, bitch. Exactly why the motherfucker got fucking
Hey,
sued and he
Hey.
lost his job. So stop putting up. Ow!
stop.
Ow!
Cut it out.
Ow!
Quit.
You want to threat or something? Ow! You fucking bit my wrist the opposite way, sir. Stop being aggressive with me, you white ass bitch. No, you fucked up my fucking wrist. You fucked up my wrist, bro. Do not do that shit this tight. And of course you don't care, bro, because it's your partner, bro. I'm pretty sure it's on y'all. I hope y'all lose y'all job too. Bitch, stop touching my motherfucking head, bitch.
Hey, on me.
Bitch. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Your camera's on?
Yeah, they are.
Perfect.
They got everything.
Perfect. Already got two
Your little
motherfucking...
DUI just turned into a lot more.
Nah, cause
Yeah.
I didn't hit y'all, I didn't kick y'all, I didn't nothing. Fucking ugly ass bitch. Stop fucking touching me, bitch. Stop touching me, bro. You're taking my pants, bro. You didn't know how to strangle me like that. You didn't know how to fucking take my neck and fucking strangle me like that. Look at my neck, look at my wrist.
Put your feet in the car.
And you're lucky, bitch.
Put your feet in the car.
Hit you in your motherfucking face, bitch.
Go put it in the car.
I'm trying to put myself in the car.
Well, when you close the seminar, measures on 60 seconds.
I'm trying to put myself in the car.
Take her away, drink along. We sit here long. She's going to school on it.
Can I have her, please?
I got one. She can stick it off.
Please.
Where's that
I'm not resisting at all. Why the fuck you holding my head, bro, like that? Oh, bro, I'm in my fucking underwear, bro. Can I please have a female officer, bro? Get the fuck away from me. I'm gonna like transfer into my own fucking house. Stop wanting me! Stop, man, come on. Get the fuck away from me, you fucking pervert ass man! Nigga, feel like last song. Bitch, stop looking at me, pervert ass motherfucker! Look the other way, you bitch! Fuck him. Well, I'm talking to the wrong person.
When's your birthday?
No, you. You're perverted. Don't touch me. I don't want no male touch me.
You're perverted.
I want this people to touch me. Do not touch me. Please do not touch me.
This is the moment where emotions completely take over. Threats, insults, and aggression might feel satisfying in the heat of the moment, but none of them help in court. Every word and every action is being recorded, and prosecutors will absolutely review it later.
Hey, Bigger 99. I think you hit your button on your keyboard. You okay?
What is the black officer's name?
Me? I'm the black officer.
No. Yeah, you're the black officer I don't fuck with.
Oh, okay.
What's the white officer's motherfucking name?
Oh, I don't know.
What the
Is
fuck
that 687 still holding up?
Sit down. Sit down.
Yes, sir.
Clear. Go ahead and close it down. Put me on 97.
Can you please?
Can you just say some
Can you please? Yes.
Thank you.
You think here go 2 cops that got fired because of me? Yeah, I'm finna get that motherfucker fired too with his bitch ass. Where did my dog go?
It's animal welfare. You wouldn't give us a phone number?
Do you not know how much
Come on. Come on, stand up.
Okay.
Come on, sit up.
No, can I please have a female? What?
Sit down.
I was sitting down. The fuck? Y'all keep on fucking ruining me for no fucking reason. My baby. $500 I did not mean to do that. I did not mean to do that. Please, please do not hurt me.
Come on, sit up.
That was an accident. Please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me.
Mauricio Brooklyn, you have that way.
Hands up right now! Hands up right now! Look away from me! Back up! Back up! Look away from me! Back up! On your knees right now!
Mauricio Brooklyn, you have that way. Copy. Alright, 10-4. Do we know any,
Might be with that physical armed robbery, so they should consider.
Don't move!
Alright, we just had a burglar alarm, 49 South
Don't move! Give me your hands!
X-ray 2.
Don't move! You'll get it again!
10-4 route. There's one, I got one in custody. Second one is like southbound, Washington.
Don't move! I'll hit you again!
No move.
Don't move that arm!
Everyone,
I'll hit you again, mother! Stop moving!
southbound, he said.
Don't move! Give me this now!
51 South Washington, 51 South Washington. You know, business info you think you saw somebody running south, but if you didn't see that yet. Hey, hold that on. I'm occupied now.
Henry 30, I got one in custody. Fight what's on the ground. I'm good. Don't f***ing move, dude. I'll zap you again.
Henry 30.
Hey, breathe. Okay, all right. Hey, breathe. All right.
All right, Henry 2 at the depot with one in custody.
Henry 30, I got medics for one with the face injury. Medics for one with the face injury. I need help down here now. I need anyone I can get.
All right, anybody able to go to Henry 30's
Stay here. Stay here. Don't move.
I'm
Breathe.
going to help Henry 30 in a second. I got to get my guy in the car.
Okay, breathe. Give me some units. I'm at the depot. I need anyone I can have. We got how many at large? One went north over the tracks at the mobile station. One went south on Washington. And we have at least 4. 2, I have 1 in custody. Who's got accountability on custody?
All right, I know 3 in custody were called up.
Everybody that's north of the tracks is in custody.
Hands up right now! Hands up right now! Look away from me!
right,
Back up! Back up! Look away from me! Back up! On your knees right now!
All right, we just had a burglar alarm.
Hands behind your back! Hands behind your back! Don't f***ing move and I'm gonna shoot you!
Back 3-2.
The arrest report tells a much bigger story than this single incident. A lengthy criminal history can influence how prosecutors approach a case and how a judge views sentencing. Accountability isn't about one bad day. It's about repeated choices and repeated consequences.
That's one route. Everyone, I got 1 in custody. Second one is right. Southbound, Washington Street, black over black.
Now! Don't make me fucking tase you, dude! Don't make me tase you, get on the ground! On the ground now! Show me those fucking hands, on the ground! Hands spread out! Hands spread out! Don't move, I will tase the shit out of you. Don't fight me, bro, we got canines en route, okay? Come back here.
Now the stakes jump dramatically. This is no longer a routine stop. Officers are tracking multiple fleeing suspects from a serious crime. High-risk arrests move incredibly fast because hesitation can put officers, suspects, and innocent bystanders in danger.